Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Lenovo Yoga Tab Plus, and let me share with you how to change the 3 buttons navigation into the gestures in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down and find General Settings. Now at the top we've got the system navigation, so let's tap on it, and here we've got the gesture navigation. As you can see here, you can also customize the 3 button navigation, so you can reorder the back button and the recents. So to set the gesture, simply tap on this option, and instead of the 3 buttons we've got this line and the taskbar, which is responsible for some gestures. If you want to, you can also hide the navigation handle, it's totally up to you. And now a quick tutorial of how to use the gesture. So if you want to get back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, simply swipe your finger from the side to the center of your device and you will go back. The same situation from the left side, it works the same. If you've got more than one apps opened and you want to quickly switch between them, you can swipe your finger on the bar from the left to the right, like that, and you will be transferred to the to another app. If you'd like to get back directly to the home page, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and make sure that this motion is quick and short, like that. And if you want to open the recents, repeat the gesture, so from the bottom to the center, but hold your finger somewhere here, like that. And here you've got the recents. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.